Hello everyone, welcome to Jolly Molly TV. Today we're going to do another unboxing, opening another present in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Box. This is present number 14. There you go. And it's hard. It is like a box and a package feeling. All right, yeah, so are we ready? Are we ready? Let's do it. Let's open box number 14. I call it a box. It's actually a package. So if I call it a box, it's the same thing. But it's a bag with something that's in a box on the inside. All right, you ready? Take a sneak peek. Take a sneak peek. Here we go. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, I love these. This is a quilt builder card deck. And this is a Missouri Star Quilt Company special edition. Oh my gosh, because I have all of the other quilt builder card sets and I'm about set to do videos on them coming in the spring. So this is going to be even more special. Look at these. Isn't this cool? Look at all these designs. So what the Quilt Builder card deck is, if you open this up, this is going to be a card for all of these designs. And on that card, it shows you how to make that specific block. Okay. These are a great tool to be able to learn how to make these blocks. And it walks you through how to assemble this block. So this has 40 blocks, 8 layouts, and includes Christmas and everyday blocks, which is so cool. The Quilt Builder card decks are really a good way for beginners or even intermediate and advanced people to learn how to make these blocks. And I'm so excited because I had just received permission from the company C&T Publishing to do some of their blocks and do video tutorials on them. So look forward to those coming in the future. I love this. So this to me is very special because chances are this may be exclusive to this box or it could be exclusive to just Missouri Star, but it's a special edition. So I am ecstatic to have this in the box. That is awesome. So I hope you had as much fun unboxing today's gift as I have. This was gift number 14. I love it. This box already has a lot of value to it. And I think it's worth it so far. And we're just over halfway through it. I will definitely be buying this again next year because these are high quality gifts. These are not something that is, just thrown together. This has come through with a lot of thought. They did this with a lot of planning involved and are high quality items, which I love so far. And I hope to see you soon here on Jolly Molly TV for more fun and more unboxing of the gifts in Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Advent Calendar Box. And until I see you tomorrow, have a wonderful day and happy stitching. Take care. Bye-bye.